Morning everyone, I'm Jason from VisionAid, and North Wales Mind Society at Bethan kindly invited me here to exhibit some of our latest products. So I'll show you one of them here. So this is called a Voxy Vision. So it's got three nice simple controls at the bottom, and it does lots of different things. It's a portable device, so you can take it shopping or use it around your home. It's a reading machine, so it reads text, and also if it's connected to the internet, it'll also read handwritten documents as well. It also has got an AI feature, so artificial intelligence, which is the latest thing. So again, when it's connected to the internet, you can do a lot more with it. So you can hold it above a bill and say how much is the bill, and it will tell you. Or I've been using the menu here, so you can say, are there any beef dishes on the menu, and it would look at the menu and then tell you. But also it's quite useful for summarising documents. So if you have a letter from the hospital, you could go into the reading machine and read everything word for word, or you can go into AI and ask it to summarise it. It would just say, this is a letter from the hospital asking you to make an appointment. So it would just break it down for you rather than to wade all the way through it. It's also got a scanner. So then in that mode, it will actually go in and scan products, food and things, so you can go shopping with it, and that works on and offline. So you can scan a product and it will tell you what it is on the screen. You can also add in extra information to that as well. So if for example, maybe you bought something you didn't like it, so you can scan it and it might say this is tomato soup, and you say don't buy this one again, it was horrible. And next time you scan it, it'll tell you it's tomato soup, but it will also play your recording back. So it's quite useful. It will also scan currency, so banknotes and things as well. And then if you've got enough vision, you can also use it as a magnifier. So then when we go into the magnifier, you get a plus and a minus in the circles at the bottom, and also a little camera. So what you're looking at on the screen, when you're magnifying it, if you actually freeze it, you can also say read to the device and it will read it back out loud. There you go. So it does lots of things in a nice simple environment. Another thing I'd like to show you as well is over here. This is a new machine called a mirror pad. So on this one you can rotate the screen, it's a magnifier, so you can have a single column of information on rather than having it going across the screen. So I can rotate the screen horizontally like this and it will switch like that, or switch it vertically like this. But its real party piece is when I connect it to my mobile phone. There's a USB-C cable here. It can also connect to an iPhone as well. Now if I plug my phone into this, there you go. I should have put my glasses on first. There we go. So I can connect my phone to it there, and then my phone comes up on the screen of the magnifier, and then I can zoom in and magnify it, and I can move it around. I can also fully control my phone with it. So if I wanted to go into, let's go into what 3 words, I can tap and it goes into the app. There you go. So that works brilliantly on Android phones. The only downside is on an Apple phone, you can still magnify the phone, but you can't do the controlling. It's a technical issue with Apple. But with an Android phone, you can fully control the phone as well. So it's quite a nice additional feature because when I disconnect my phone, I can just use it as a more traditional magnifier, but it's still nice and compact. So I can put documents under here, like this, and just magnify them as usual. Not really. There you go. Thank you very much.